Okay, next target. Hey, there's our buddy. I wouldn't stand back there. Sunny and 64 degrees, west-southwest wind at 6 miles an hour. Here's the radar. Looks like it's mostly a west wind. We'll be shooting with the wind. Okay, here to do another fly swatter challenge. I wanted to try the fly swatter challenge with some different pellets. Last time we tried this was with JTS pellet. We hit 13 out of 25, one better than 50%. I'm going to try Air Arms pellets this morning. I'm going to try a velocity of 880, and these pellets have actually been head sized, and they're 2500 head size. So we'll see if we can't get them to run hole on hole. That's what I'm expecting here. Conditions are real calm, even though it said west wind at 6. I'm not getting too much movement in the ribbons. So we'll see how we do here. Try the top left sider first, get zeroed, and I will try and remember to reset the chronograph when we take our first shot. That way it'll be time stamped on our first shot. Okay, top left sider.
881.
And it would help if I got everything to 0. All right, try again. Everything's zeroed this time. Top left.
877.
Looks like I'm about an inch low, and we get to reshoot the first target.
877. 879.
Ooh, same hole. A couple more left.
881.
Okay, that looked all right. Let's try the next sider over.
881.
And one more sider. Third sider over.
879.
All right, we'll have to go with that. And let's start a new string. Going for number 1, we'll have to ignore that first shot there.
877. 877. 877.
Well, it looks like everything's going a little left. Maybe we should come back right a tick.
877. 877.
Well, looks like we got one hit.
877.
Well, now it decides to go right.
875. 881. 879.
I'm going to go up just a little bit, see if we can get us above 880.
881.
That one looked real nice. Okay, number 11.
881. 884. 879. 877. 879.
And number 16.
881. 877. 879. 884. 877.
All right, let's see how we do on this last row.
877. 879. 879. 879.
I wish close counted.
879.
Guess we would be doing awful good. Okay, we'll go down and count them up. Let's see how we did on chronograph. 9 spreads, 2 standard deviation. But we fiddled with the speed a little bit. Okay, go down and count them up. Okay, here we go. 50 yards. I think today is the 8th. Avenger 25 caliber. Okay, that was a sider, so that one doesn't count. Is that a hit? No. And this is the air arms, 25.4s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 confirmed kills with the air arms, exactly the same as the JTS. How about that? I think that's kind of funny. We'll have to test the FX pellets as well. See how they do. Okay, see you next time.